Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application and tap on the right upper corner. Here, to log out from the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that, just tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and confirm your action by tap to remove account. Are you sure? Enter one from your protect methods if you use some of them. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see here that we also successfully log out from Gmail app. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.